Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of Beyblade X Hasbro Reaper Incendio T 470K. I have this bay in my collection, just got it in today. There we go. Oh shit, no. This is my first look of this guy's the starter. Yeah. Oh, that's actually really cool. Here's the chip piece. Love the design. Yeah, and here's this piece. Okay, so you can switch it up. Oh shit. There we go. Okay, there. There he is. Let's get the 470. Oh god, there we go. There's the kick. Oh. 470. Okay, there we go. And there's kick but yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.